Hello everyone, so I have just purchased Samsung M20 from Samsung websites, not from any other website. I purchased it directly from Samsung. So as you can see, even the packet is not yet opened. So I'm opening it now. It came in the Samsung secure pouch, which is quite tightly packed, so it would be a little tedious to get it opened. All right. So almost opened. So we can call it the unboxing video, complete unboxing. So here is the box in which it came, a little bit bent from here. So the box is a little bit smaller. They should have shipped it in a little bit bigger box, but that's okay. Alrighty then. So here is something. I believe it's the bill. Yes, it is the bill indeed. And here it is. Wow. Samsung M20. And it is for Indian SIM cards only. Samsung Galaxy M20. So let's open this one now. They're a bit right. Here's out. Now, okay, I need to take out this sticker as well. I hope I done it right. This one as well. So there are multiple stickers to protect it from to protect it from skidding out. And finally, here is the mobile. But before we reach there, let's see if there's something inside it. Normally they do send some stuff like quick starter guide. Who read it in India? Regional log guide. I'm not going anywhere. And warranty card, yes, if they do give warranty, we'll definitely need this. Now, here comes the mobile itself. And if you see, here is the back side of the mobile. It came with a cover, wrapped in a plastic cover. So we'll look into that in a moment. What rest we have is the data cable. And the data cable is C type cable, the same people now go with almost every mobile. So this is the standard data cable. And the charger, it's typical Samsung charger, same design, nothing changed. And last but not the least, to take out the SIM card section. Is there anything else left? No. So the box is complete. I'll put this stuff back for a while because now our major concentration is on the mobile phone itself. So how to get it open? Like this. So this actually you need to peel it from here, so it will easily come out, and off we go. Samsung mobile phone. It comes with 4 GB of internal memory, 4 GB of RAM, and 64 GB of internal memory. And I think it do have a kind of back cover. Yes, it still have a little bit of cover in it, and which I don't like to remove. I'll like to keep it that way if I can access the yeah, here I need to put the SIM. So first I need to take it out from my another mobile, which is A1, which I purchased last year, and if I say to be precise, last week of January was the time when I purchased it. So here I'm removing the slots, and this is the secondary SIM, this is the primary SIM. I will only install primary SIM in it for now. So off we go. Alright. Oh, this is good. Like, it contains slots for SIM, 2 separate slots for 2 SIM, and another slot for memory card, which is good because this was something which we lagged in MIA1. So here we have inserted it back, and time to turn it on. So let's turn it on, if it turns on. Okay. So this is how it turns on. Definitely going to show the brand details. It's blinking. Well, it's taking too long. Okay, starting Android. So it's now going to do the setup, which I will cover in the second video. So for this video, I'll stop it here. Thank you once again for watching my review video, unboxing video of Samsung M20. I will do a setup and review video separately. Thank you everyone.